Solo asikho sombululo emkhathini kweSolidarity nelitiko letemanti nekuhanjiswa kwendle. iSolidarity ifuna ukuthi bonjiniyela baseCuba babuyele kulakubo khona kutawuchazwa bonjiniyela bakuleli. Loluhlelo labonjiniyela baseCuba luchubekile ngaphambi kwekuthi lo mhlangano uphotfulwe.
Cuba is not unique, neither is it out of the ordinary for us to have such agreements with Cuba. We do have similar agreements with nations like the Netherlands, with Japan, with Germany, with the US itself, with a lot of other countries. But no one has ever raised these questions.
Lelitiko lethi akusilo liqiniso letinsolo letithi bonjiniyela bakuleli abanikwa ematfuba emisebenzi. Lelitiko lethi labonjiniyela batawusita lakuleli ekutheni lilungise takhiwo encane letidzala bafunze kuleletisha. iSolidarity imile ekutheni kuba khona kwalabonjiniyela baseCuba kulisiti lakuleli.
It's easy to argue now we have good relationship with Cuba, and there's a tripartite agreement or bilateral agreement between them. But this is not in the interest of South Africans. It can never be argued, and any logical South African will know this is only to be some sort of political connection with Cuba.
iSolidarity ithi labonjiniyela baseCuba bede ticu letifanele tekuthi basebente kule live. Futhi kutawumele kube khona laba bagadzako ukuthi basebenta kona yini njengoba bangakabhaliswa kumkhandlo bonjiniyela bakuleli pheceleti Engineering Council of South Africa.